Mother, it's your birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Mother, it's your birthday. Happy, happy birthday. You do so much for us. Happy, happy birthday.
Hi, Madam. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Sana, padala mo kami ng pagkain sa birthday mo.
Ate Net, happy birthday! Sana ingat ka dyan lagi.
Happy birthday, Tita Mune! I love you!
Anak, happy birthday! You may have more birthdays to come. I love you. Sana maba pang buhay mo para pagdating ng araw, sama-sama pa rin tayo. Ganon din kami dito. Magpapakabait ka dyan. Lalahanin mo. May dalawa ka pang anak na naghihintay dito at isang ina. I love you. Happy birthday. Goodbye. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama! I love you so much.
Taba mo.
Ang taba mo!